I've been working as a medtech since 2005.
I practice as radiologic technologist for, I think, for more than 32 years already.
My role as a medical technologist is we are in charge of collecting, tapos pag-process ng mga specimen, and analyzing, tsaka pag-record ng samples.
Without medical technologies, hindi naman yan malalaman ng sakit ng doktor. So, importante din kami sa diagnosis talaga.
Kumbaga kami yung isa sa mga backbone sa hospital man or sa freestanding laboratory.
As RadTech, I have to take care with the patient with less exposure from radiation with the request of from the doctor. So I have to provide good image so that the doctor can see proper diagnosis for the patient.
I am a family man, so I have a small child naman, 5 years old. So, syempre, ako as a frontliner, hindi ko tinitignan yung ako yung hindi ko tinitignan na ako yung kinakabahan ako sa trabaho ko, hindi. Pero mas kinakabahan ako sa mga kasama ko sa bahay.
Yung reaction ng family ko is, una-una natakot sila para sa akin kasi malayo sila. Tapos ako lang dito mag-isa, yun yung kanilang worry kasi hindi nila ako kasama. Tapos layo pa yung dito sa Cebu. Yun yung worry nila, tsaka yung field of work ko kasi exposed kami sa sa COVID na lalo na yung may COVID na exposed sa as frontliners. In-assure ko rin sa kanila na I'm following proper protocols sa pag-process ng mga specimen, yung safety measures.
Although nakakatakot yung trabaho namin, but still we are following the protocols and the safety of the patients.
So we have safety protocols with our staff and also with the patient. So before they enter the clinic, they will go to the triage area for the temperature, and we will also give them alcohol, and they have to fill up the contact tracing form. So we have the 4 basic rules. Number 1 is the face mask. Number 2 is the face shield, sanitizing, and also social distancing. So after they go to the triage area, we have seats ready that follows that 1 seat apart policy. After they finish their vital signs, so we have to disinfect all in the vital signs area, the laboratory area, and also the X-ray room. So before we close the clinic, we have to fog the entire clinic for disinfection. Kaiser Medical Center offers the following packages, like we have laboratory services, X-ray, radiology, ultrasound, stress test, ECG, and we also have packages like EPE, PPE, and executive panel.
Even with the pandemic, okay lang, at least I can go back to work. I am happy to serve the Philippine Cebuanos under the company of Kaiser. At least we can able to take care all the patients coming in Kaiser.
Nung nag-start nung pandemic, di talaga nag-cross sa aking mind na mag-shift ng course kasi first of all is ito yung talaga yung gusto ko na course. Tapos baga may may oath na pinandigan na to be in service of others. Kumbaga nasanay na sa itong field of work na ito yung mga gawain, especially na yun na may COVID, parang expected na sa amin kami yung mga frontliners isa sa mga frontliners sa COVID. Yung unang-una kong reaction nung pag-first encounter ko ng positive patient is natakot. Tapos yung anxiety sa akin, yung parang tumataas kasi positive yun eh. Di mo pa alam yung regarding sa COVID talaga, yung background ng virus. Tapos yung natakot rin para sa mga kasama ko sa boarding house kasi yun yung baka mahawa or hawa ako or yan yung anxiety. Kumbaga dinadivert ko na lang po yung attention ko sa iba. Assured naman na yung mga patient na mapapasok dito is may pina-follow naman namin yung mga proper protocols. First from the triage area pa lang yung pagkuha ng temperature, pag-fill up ng forms para sa COVID. Tapos yun yung kami rin puma-follow ng safety protocols by using proper PPEs, tapos yung pag-hand wash, pag-disinfect sa paligid.
Ayun nga, pag ako ng patient, so pag kinakausap ko yung pasyente, malayo talaga ako sa pasyente and ini-instruct ko na yung mga anong gagawin. And after na makasalamuha ko siya, I avoid na talking. We are competitive naman as a healthcare provider, so we follow strict protocols and also we are doing standard naman. So yun, panatag naman sila. Actually, ang binibigay namin service is patient first sa amin. So yung pasyente talaga. Yung service namin sa mga pasyente is para sa safety ng mga pasyente.
So here in Kaiser, we are ready to serve and give more service for the Filipino people.
We are here to serve you always sa mga clients ng Kaiser. My message to the public is follow pa rin yung safety measures lalo na yun na yung COVID, di pa tayo familiar masyado sa virus, lalo na yung social distancing, tapos stay at home kung pwede, kung di naman needed talagang lumabas, stay at home na lang tayo. For all frontliners is laban lang tayo. Tapos keep safe rin sa atin kasi tayo rin yung frontliners talaga yung nauuna sa laban nito. Tapos keep the faith.
Kaiser Medical Center, kagapay mo sa kalusugan.